Hello YouTube world, welcome back to the channel. I'd just like to say a big thank you and a thumbs up to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you watching my videos. Today we're going to be looking at fire. We've all seen these. Piece of magnesium, you strike it with a piece of metal, sparks come off, makes fire. Great for bushcrafters and great as an emergency, work in all weathers. Pretty much anybody who's watching this video has at least got one of these, or maybe 5 or or a whole box load. Today we're going to be looking at something a bit new and a bit different. Inside this box is called the Aion Innovation Tie Strike. It's basically a piece of titanium. Is it any good? Is it a piece of crap? Is it worthwhile? Stay tuned and we'll find out. When I saw it I thought, yeah right, titanium fire striker, you're having a laugh. But I bought one all the way from America and I thought I'd share it with you. It's called the Aion Innovation Tie Strike, and let's open the box together. It's quite heavy. I was wondering why it was heavy, because it's supposed to be titanium, and the reason it is heavy is because they throw in a stone. Comes with some instructions, but as usual we're probably not going to look at those. There's also some jute twine which should catch a spark quite easily, so we'll look at that. And then here's the main gubbins within the box. Let's throw that out of the way. It's wrapped up nicely in a bit of brown paper. And what it is, it's a beautifully machined piece of metal. And there's your titanium striker. Now, for those of you who are curious about dimensions and sizes, the overall length of this for our American friends is 6 inches or 154 millimeters. The actual titanium piece is 2¼ inches or 58 millimeters, and the width is 5/8 or 6 millimeters. And the idea with this is that you hold something hard up and you slam down on it at an angle in order to knock off a tiny shard of red hot titanium, which then goes to your combustible material and creates fire. See if it's any good. Is it usable? Is it a piece of crap? Or is it a fantastic new way of making fire? Let's take it outside and find out. Here we are in a high-tech testing facility. Firstly, let's see if we can get a spark. First time. Well, that works. Now I guess let's see if the spark is good enough to light some fire. Let's get you in there. getting a spark on the end, but nothing good enough to put it onto there. Let's try this. Oh, finally. Once the spark got on there, I didn't mess about. And as you can see, there's little burrs coming off there. It takes little shards off. Okay. Move that out of the way. Let's try something else. Okay, next, let's try some cotton wool. Fluff him up. Just a small piece. Not overly successful so far. Oh. Let's try some newspaper. See if we can do what Guy Fawkes never managed to do. What should we do? Looks like you need something really fluffy to get it going. There we are. So far we're alright with something really fluffy. For bigger stuff, it's not really interested. Let's try some fat wood. Oh, nearly. The danger of this is smashing it in your hand when it comes down. Let's move it over there so you can see it. Probably not going to make a lot of difference. I've got a little bit of a selection. Bit of slate, will that work? No. Hard piece of fossilized stone. Oh, nearly. No. Piece of quartz rock. No. Let's get rid of those. So, it's got to be smooth. Try cotton wool. Finally, fire. Let's try something else. Let's try some tinder card. Okay, so I've had to play around with this for a while, and I'm kind of getting bored with it now. Overall, if you want a fire starter that's reliable, no hassle, and easy to use, then I wouldn't go for that. I'd go for one of these. I appreciate I probably haven't quite got the hang of this yet, and I probably will have another go at some point. When you're looking at this, if you're in a situation where you need some fire, this is the way to go. I certainly wouldn't trust me life to this. Finally. So, if you got any thoughts on the matter, if you've got one of these and you've got any tips on how to make it work a bit better, let me know. Just leave your comments. Overall, if you wanted to buy that for someone as a present, I guess, just as a bit of fun, and you got money to burn, you know, why not go for that? If you want to buy something that's gonna work time after time, just go for one of these. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on the matter. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.